Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check the description box below for all of the products that I used in this video. To start off, I am using the p.louise eyeshadow base in the color Rumor 1. A little goes a long way, as you can see. And I'm just applying this all over my eyelid, making sure that it's even. When applying this base, you want to make sure that the edges of the base is well blended. For our eyes, we are going to be using the Crayon Case, the matte book. We're starting off with this yellow and orange brownish color as our transition shade. When applying the shadow, you want to make sure that you get it into the brow bone and right above the crease area. Now we are going in with this bright red color, focusing on the outer corner of the crease. Using a light hand, I'm now blending out the red into the transition shade that we applied first. I'm now going in with a deeper red to intensify that red that we just applied. I have really small eyelids, so I'm applying the red a little bit above my crease area towards the outer corner of my eyes. Going in with this plum color, I'm using more of a fluffy brush this time to apply it to the outer corner. Using windshield wiper motions, I'm bringing that plum color towards the inner corner of my eyes. Using Inglot's number 84 gel liner, we are going to cut the crease. This product just makes it so much easier to cut the crease because it just glides onto the eyelid. You really want to take your time when it comes to cutting the crease to make sure that you get that perfect shape. Once you get to the outer corner of the crease, you want to make sure that you use a concealer brush or any type of fluffy blending brush to blend it out. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm using the brightest yellow in the palette to pat that right on top of my eyelid. These eyeshadows are extremely pigmented, but you want to make sure that you are using patting motions for this yellow to pop. Right here, I'm just dusting off the excess yellow eyeshadow that fell into the red. Now I am applying the orange eyeshadow in the same patting motions that I applied the yellow. Using that bright red, I'm patting it on the outer corner to create an ombre effect. I'm using this purple to blend out the outer V to add more definition. Now using the darkest purple in the palette, I'm applying it right on top of the purple that we just applied. Now I'm going in with this neon yellow glitter from Cake Your Face Official to make the yellow pop even more. This NYX matte liquid liner, guys, is my ultimate favorite, and I'm just gonna give myself a nice sharp line. Now for my favorite part, I'm using the NYX liquid liner to give myself a double wing. It's a little easier for me as a makeup artist to apply this on clients. However, you could just go back in with the black liquid liner and clean it right up. I actually applied these lashes off camera. Now I'm going in with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I do have dry skin, so I just need something that's going to give me a little moisture. If you know me, you know I love NARS foundation so much. So I'm just applying this using a fluffy foundation brush all over my face. Now I am going in with Anastasia's Cool Earth foundation stick to apply my contour lines. I like my nose contour to be very natural, so I'm using a black opal foundation stick to give myself a nose contour. Now I'm going in with my concealers to give myself a nice pop and highlight. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend out that concealer. I am now going in with the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Powder in the color N to set my concealer. This was my first time actually using the Crayon Case products, and I must say that I am extremely impressed. Using the color Y, I'm going to set below my contour. While the powder sets, I'm taking this light blue and using it on the bottom lash line. Now going in with the darker blue, I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner of the lash line as well. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to dust away all of that powder. Now to add an extra pop, I'm just going to outline the bottom of my wing. I didn't capture putting on my bottom mascara very well, but I'm just using this Colourpop mascara to apply it. I'm going in with these two colors as a contour slash blush. Can't forget the highlight, so now I'm going in with the Say Hello Loose Highlighter by Secure Cosmetics to add a nice glow. Last but not least, I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner and add NYX Butter Gloss to top it off. This setting spray is my absolute favorite. It leaves your face looking so flawless and it smells so good. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.